The first project is going to be a Nocturne, and I wanted to say a few things about that. You can't just go out at night and get some reference. If you look at any great Nocturne, what you're going to notice is that there's just far more details than you could actually ever see naturally at night. So you can paint a Nocturne painting from pretty much any reference you have that's been shot in bright daylight. I have it pretty much to where I want it. So now your task is to just paint this black and white. So as we go to paint this in black and white, I want to leave some room to darken areas with the glaze that we're going to be putting on here. So I'm not going to use pure black even in the darkest, blackest areas. So it has been now about 3 or 4 days. So now what you want to do is go back to your color reference. You already have the nighttime feel, right? So you just need to get a little idea of color. But do not, I repeat, do not add any white in your mix. Use transparent colors with no white mixed in. You can just take it and dip into it and dip into the edge of your paint. And this is how we're going to add color. And so where now we're going to glaze this. So I think that's going to be a good color. So I'm going to go ahead and do the kitty cat now. And then I may end up using pretty much that same color on the bunny. I might probably change it up a little bit. Maybe make the bunny, I don't know. We'll see when we get there. I'll see how I want to vary that. This has been a couple of days. This feels pretty good. I take this. Now when we added the warm colors here in the cat and in the rocks, automatically made the sky feel cool. I mean, it feels like a really cool blue. It's pretty neutral. But anyways, I'm just gonna take straight phthalo cyanide blue, and I'm going to just start glazing the thing with it. Okay, now that's gonna give us a much more nighttime feel. This is actually the motion that you are going to want to use. You can do the same technique for snow, by the way. Okay, so let's put a few more stars in there. You may need to continue to dip it in this thinner just a little bit, but you don't want it dripping, or you don't want it to drip or anything, so let's give it a try. Try to reinforce that white just a tiny bit. I hope this has been very instructive to you, and I hope you have a great deal of success with your Nocturne.